everyone, I am Padmini, an information assistant at Kings Park. Today we will be making coconut rice with cucumber raita. I have been cooking for a very long time, but over the last few years I have been trying to simplify the process with new methods. Fortunately, I received an Instant Pot as a gift 2 years back. It is everything I did not know I needed, and it has helped me explore new areas of cooking and devise new recipes. So today I am here very excited to share one of those Instant Pot recipes with you. Here is my Instant Pot. Today we will be using 3 main buttons: saute, pressure cook, plus and minus buttons to set the timer, and cancel to stop a function. And on the top here is a valve which we'll be using at the end of the cooking to release the pressure after the cooking is done. Now let's look at the ingredients for coconut rice. Here we have 2 cups of white basmati rice rinsed. We have got oil, this is olive oil. We have got coconut milk. We have got chopped onions. Here are the chopped carrots and peas. You can choose any vegetables you like, but here I have just peas and carrots. For the spices, I have got ginger, black peppercorns, cinnamon sticks and cumin seeds, and this is the pink salt because I usually use the pink salt in my cooking. Here are the ingredients for cucumber raita. Raita is essentially flavored yogurt dip. For this cucumber raita today we will be using plain non-fat Greek yogurt, 2 grated cucumbers, some salt, granulated garlic, black ground pepper and some mint leaves. You can use parsley or cilantro instead. Now let's start making coconut rice. We will start the Instant Pot on saute mode and adjust the temperature with the adjust button to the normal. Once it is started, add the oil, about 1 to 2 tablespoons, and let it heat up. Once the Instant Pot is hot, add 4 to 5 peppercorns, add cinnamon sticks, half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, and saute till the spices are aromatic. The spices should be aromatic in a minute or 2. Once they are done, add onions and saute till they are translucent. This should take about a minute or 2. Then add the vegetables and saute for about a minute. And then add the rice. And saute for yet another minute. And add the entire can of coconut milk, followed by about 1.5 cups of water. Now close the lid and put the valve on the sealing position and let it cook for 15 minutes. And we have set the timer for 15, so we are done. When timer goes off, I will move the valve from sealing to the venting position for the quick release of the steam. Otherwise, the rice will get mushy. As the rice is cooking, we come to the easy part, the cucumber raita. Add 1 to 2 cups Greek yogurt to a bowl. Then add grated cucumber and mix well. Add a 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon granulated garlic, black pepper and salt to taste, and mix well again. A quick note about consistency. The cucumber will leave some water the longer it sits. So you can adjust the consistency by adding more water to make it thinner or more yogurt to make it thicker. Once you are done mixing, garnish with the mint leaves. Like I said earlier, you can use cilantro or parsley instead of mint. I will also recommend that if you have any raita left over, it goes very well with crackers. Here is the finished product, coconut rice with cucumber raita.